Hello there. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI is not just a buzzword but a groundbreaking force reshaping our cybersecurity landscapes. Today, I'm diving into how AI is redefining cybersecurity strategies, offering both monumental opportunities and formidable challenges. AI is swiftly becoming integral to modern software, profoundly influencing both defensive and offensive cyber operations. Imagine AI as a double-edged sword. On one edge, it enhances our cyber defense systems, making them more robust and intelligent. It's like having a super smart guard who learns and adapts to protect us better from cyber threats. However, there's another edge. AI also paves the way for more sophisticated cyber attacks. Hackers can use AI to create attacks that are not only harder to detect, but also more effective at exploiting the weaknesses in our systems. It's a bit of a cat and mouse game where the mouse is suddenly much smarter and faster. Now let's talk about data, the lifeblood of AI. The effectiveness of AI largely depends on vast amounts of training data. This means that the way we protect our data becomes even more critical. It's not just about keeping it safe from breaches, it's about ensuring that the data does not become a tool for misuse in the hands of AI-powered cyber threats. So what does this mean for policy and governance? Well, as our systems become more interconnected, identifying vulnerabilities becomes both more challenging and more crucial. The integration of sensors, machines, and humans as data providers means an increase in potential entry points for cyber attacks. A piecemeal approach won't cut it. We need a comprehensive strategy to tighten these links and safeguard our systems. Moreover, considering the global scope of training data, national policies alone won't suffice. It's a global issue that demands global solutions. Remember the G7 summit in 2018? The leaders pledged to promote human-centric AI by investing in cybersecurity, emphasizing the protection of privacy and personal information. In conclusion, the battlefield of cybersecurity is becoming more dynamic with the integration of AI. As exciting as this is, it requires us to be more vigilant and proactive in developing strategies that not only keep up with but also stay ahead of these technological advancements. Our approach to cybersecurity must be as dynamic and intelligent as the technologies we are aiming to protect against. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed and stay secure. And